Hello, how are you?
Hey, just checking ticket.
Yeah, of course.
What's that on your head, a GoPro?
It's a little GoPro. You know, all us camera guys, we gotta stay loaded. It's a Saturday afternoon slash evening, or getting to it, and I don't have any plans, so I was looking around at what was on, and we have some Speedway at the Perth Motorplex. It's better than sitting at home. We can actually go out somewhere and get some shots. Hey, I'll be the difficult one. Easy, and then the front pocket.
I'm just taking camera.
Yeah, no, it's all good, man. I know, we all got jobs to do, right? Yeah. Beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
Perfect. Got the good side? Fantastic. Thank you, everyone. No, you're all good. You're in the shop, mate. Absolute pro. Good luck, guys. I hear burnt rubbers on the menu tonight.
How are you, man?
I'm doing well, yourself, man?
Cruising.
Oh, well, good luck tonight. I'll be just floating around the place, so easy done. Just make sure you give us a good smile, though. Nice to stop.